What's up, guys? Melanie Winston here, and if you're watching this video, you're probably an MCA Motor Club of America associate like myself, and you are just trying to figure out how to get this thing going. Maybe you've been with Motor Club of America for a few days, maybe you've been with Motor Club of America for a few months, a few years, I don't know. Maybe you're just looking, for some things that you can implement into your business that'll help you start to grow your business even more significantly than it's already growing. And if it's not growing, then guess what? Hopefully these tips will help you out. So if you see me looking down, it's because I jotted down some notes because I want to make sure that I have that I cover everything that I want to cover in this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And speaking of the subscribe button, I want to take this time to thank you. Guess what? We did it. We finally did it, Passion Pursuers. We had 100+ subscribers. Thank you all for your support. Thank you for those who shared the channel out. Thank you for just simply subscribing. Thank you for those who show up and actually are using this information to help build their business. Thank you to those of you who have already reached out to me via Facebook or even dropped me a comment, letting me know that my content is helping you out in your business. I appreciate you more than you will ever know. So thank you for that. We got the customized YouTube link now, so it's the Passion Pursuers Network, so www.youtube.com/the Passion Pursuers Network. So and that's what actually prompted me to make this video today, right? Because I think in Motor Club of America, oftentimes people are looking for like how-tos and how to market, and they get all this training, right? Because I've been that rep before, right? I felt like there was something missing. I would go out and seek more training, buy more training. I've spent so much money on training, and I would implement a little bit, not get results, and I was just all over the place. So I feel like that if I was able to come across this information earlier on in my online journey, then I will be way more successful than I am already, right? But everything happens for a reason. So I'm not complaining about anything. I love the journey. It's been amazing. I've grown. I've completely changed who I am, both inside and out. So I mean, it's just been an amazing journey. But these success tips, I'm gonna give you five success tips to help you in your MCA business, right? So the very first thing that I want to tell you is set goals. Okay, oftentimes people come into MCA Motor Club of America with absolutely no goal set. That's one of the things that I ask people who I communicate with about the business, right? When they hit me up and asking for information, that's one of the things that I let them know, like, what are you looking to make on a monthly basis from this opportunity? Because you'll get people that say a lot, however much I can make, but that however much I can make and a lot, that's not an amount. So you have to be very specific with what you want in this journey, in life, period, right? You have to know what it is that you're working for, because if you're working towards a lot or as much as you can, you're not really working towards anything, right? So you want to make sure that you're setting goals. And within setting goals, there's so many things that I can talk about with goal setting, but some very important things with goal setting is, one, be realistic, right? I know a lot of people have told you, and maybe you are a big thinker. I want you to think big. I want you to see the bigger picture. If you want to make 6 figures in MCA, I want you to make 6 figures in MCA, and you can make 6 figures in MCA, but it's not going to happen overnight. You're not going to join this opportunity, especially if you're brand new to this, right? You're brand new to marketing. You have no idea of what a capture page or what a lead is. If you don't email marketing, follow up, if you don't know what those things, sales funnels, if you don't know things like that, then you're not going to make 6 figures within your first month. Okay, it's just not going to happen. You've probably done a lot of research, like, oh, before you join, is this a get rich quick scheme? Because that's what people equate it to, is get rich quick. And I always say you can get rich quick, right? Because if you were to stay stuck in the job thinking mentality, that employee mindset, you'll never get rich, right? Ever. You'll work for the rest of your life. However, with an opportunity like MCA Motor Club of America, if you really take the time to build it, right, the next 3 to 5 years of your life can completely change. You can be rich, right? And I mean, it took a lot of people 3 to 5 years to get there, but I'm one of those people, right? Learn and learn and learn and keep learning and keep learning. But that's what you have to do. You have to learn and apply. That's where a lot of people get caught up with, just learning. You have to go out and apply what it is that you're learning, right? So set some goals when it comes to your Motor Club of America business. Be realistic. So if you want to make 6 figures in Motor Club of America, cool. What you need to do is break down what numbers you have to make in order to make 6 figures. I know I want to make 6 figures. I'm going to make 6 figures in MCA Motor Club of America, and just not even including any overrides or anything like that, commissions from the work that my team is doing. I know that if I go out and help 1,200 families earn money online, I know that 1,200 number is going to be my 6-figure mark, right? So that's what my big goal is. So what I also have is now quarterly goals that I set. You know, I have to hit this amount in order to be on track, in order to hit that, you know, $100,000 mark, right? So even within those quarterly goals, I have monthly goals, right? And even within my monthly goals, I have weekly goals, and within my weekly goals, I have daily goals. So you have to really break it down like that. Like, sit down, figure out what it is, the exact amount of money that you want to earn, whether it's on a monthly basis, whether it's in the next 12 months, 3 years, 5 years, it doesn't matter. Figure out what that number is, and then figure out, do reverse engineering, figure out what you have to do in order to get to that number, right? And once you've got that all figured out, you've written down your plan, go out and execute it every single day. Show up for your business, right? This is not a job. You don't work this Monday through Friday. I mean, you can, but if you go hard 7 days a week, it's not even like you have to sit down for 8 hours a day in order to put in some work, right? People, you can do this within 2 to 4 hours a day. That's very minimal, right? That's part-time work. Part-time work. Even if you did 4 hours a day for 7 days a week, that's 28 hours of work a week. And I guarantee you, you put in that much work, you're going to get paid a very lucrative check, income, weekly, every week, every Friday, straight into your bank account. You put in that kind of work, it'll happen. So 1, set goals. 2, be you, right? Oftentimes in this journey, we have this thing set in our head that we have to be this person, or we comparing ourselves to that person because they're successful. Well, they're successful because they are themselves. You will never be them. You will never be me. You will never be any other leader that you see in MCA Motor Club of America. You can only be yourself. Be that person. If you're an extroverted person, if you're like super duper on 1,000 like me all the time, be that person. You know, if you're quiet, if you're reserved, be that person, because there are quiet and reserved people who can connect with you. Most quiet and reserved people, they'll look at me like, oh my goodness, you know. And when you get around me, and which some of you will, but when you get around me, you'll see that at first I may come off quiet, but then once I loosen up, it's a wrap. You know, I'm always like, let's go, let's have fun. That's just who I am. If that's not you, that's fine. Be you. People join MCA because, yes, we have amazing benefits. Yes, you get awesome benefits for $19.95 a month. Yes, you get a nice MCA card for $19.95. Your $39.90 payment allowed you to be able to have access to $150,000 worth of monthly benefits, right? So that's great, right? You have unlimited roadside assistance. All those things are great, but people are joining, especially if you're presenting it from a work from home opportunity or a chance to earn some income off your phone, or however you're marketing it, right? If you're marketing it that way, then those type of people are going to pretty much, they're going to gravitate to whatever it is that you're posting. But guess what? It's you. You are the one that's posting it. Be you, right? MCA isn't posting it. I'm not posting it. Another MCA leader isn't posting it. You're posting it. So be you so that they can relate to you. And it's not all weird once if you are a quiet and reserved person and you're over exerting yourself and you're out on social media, right? You're branding yourself to be this overexerted person. And when people talk to you, you're quiet and reserved, they're going to be like, what's going on? You know, people already question this industry anyway. So just be yourself. Number 3. Something I wish I would have known about. When I first joined MCA, I just had a video on YouTube that I was just sending to everybody. And that video probably included a link with somebody else's information, and I was losing signups, right? Be professional. Be professional. You don't know anything about marketing if you're new. You don't, and if you're not new, if you're you've been marketing for a while and you're still not having no results, then you definitely want to use a system, right? That's the 3rd tip. Use a system. There's so many amazing systems out here. I've used a few different systems myself. All systems work. If you see people getting results, then they're working. It's not the system that's not working. If you purchased a system before, it's you. So what I have, I'm going to give you access to. If you click the link in the description, whether you're already an MCA rep or you're about to join my MCA team, click the link in the description to set up your free MCA marketing system, right? That system's going to do the presenting for you. It's going to do the following up for you. It's going to give you some training on how to get some leads into the system, right? So use a system. You also want to make sure that you plug into a winning team, right? And I can tell you from experience, I've been on this journey for a while, right? And I've been involved with other companies, and the team was just like on fire, you know, and just that fire, that and energy going, and everybody winning, and everybody want to see everybody winning. That gives you motivation not to quit. I'm in a group, Wi-Fi Wealth Babes, and I mean, the ladies in that group, they give me so much motivation, so much inspiration. The mamas in that group, they're doing this for their kids, like they're doing this for their children, they're doing it for their family. Like, I love that. That energy, the energy in that group is just phenomenal. So I have my own MCA Passion Pursuers group, and that's the type of group that we're in the process of making that one of those really energetic groups. So if you're not ready for some energy, if you're not ready to win, don't even click the link, right? So plug into a winning team. If you want access to a winning team, go ahead and click the link in the description, get started with my team. Let me know that you signed up so I can get you into the group page, right? And there's training in there, tons of free information in there for you that'll help you grow your business. And one of the most important things, last but certainly not least, never quit. I see so many people get involved with MCA with these big whys, and they want to do this and they want to do that, and they're going to use that MCA money to fund this project and all of this other stuff, and their kids mean so much to them, and then they quit. Why? Why quit? Life is going to continue to happen to you, whether you do MCA or not. Why not plug into something that can help you at least ease the pain of finances and time just for when life does happen? You'll be all right. You'll be ready to go. You'll be good, right? Never quit. MCA is a very lucrative opportunity. There are people out here making $1,000+ a day. There are people out here making $80+ a day. There's people out here making $400+ a day. Whatever your goal is, you can make that here with MCA. So why quit on it? I have one of my homies, Zaterica. She just had her first sale. She's been rocking with MCA for a few weeks, about 2 months now. She rejoined MCA actually, but this is her second go around. 60 days going hard. Guess what? She got her first sale. I have other people who joined my team, and they went hard for maybe a week or two, and they kind of like fell off because they wasn't getting the results that they wanted. They're not making any money. Guess what? Zaterica stuck around. She did what she needed to do. She was consistent. She never quit, and now she got her first sale. The first sale is the hardest one to get. The rest of them are going to come. You know, the rest of them are going to come because now she knows what she has to just consistently do. So I hope that this video was able to help you out. I hope that you found some valuable information here. If you did, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment below. Let me know, that you found value. Help share this message out, right? Because again, I'm going to be helping 1,200 families earn income online. It's already coming into I'm already manifesting it. It's already happening. So just go ahead and share this message out for me, because maybe it may not be for you, but it may be for somebody on your timeline. If you haven't already, again, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the link in the description to get started. Send me a message on Facebook. Let me know that you started, and I'll get you squared away. Other than that, go ahead and be great. Peace.